Hello guys, welcome to the first lectures of this series MS Excel Basics to Advanced. In this lesson, we are going to understand the MS Excel interface and the datasets that we are going to use. We can see this is the spreadsheet that we are going to use. We have two spreadsheets you can see here active. One is COVID data and another is other details. Okay. So let us understand one by one. Here there is one icon. You can see. Suppose we want to add a new sheet that we can add here. We can put a we can add here sheet one. It has been new sheet. New spreadsheet has been added. We can also rename it. Suppose we will rename it. It is example. Take for example. We can write here that this is a new sheet that we have created. Okay. We can see, we can right click on what we can do. We have the delete options. Suppose we want to delete it, we can delete it. Suppose we want to uh, rename it, we can also rename it. This is the tab that we can also color it. Okay, all these things are available here. Okay, let us delete because we are not going to use this. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet. These are called cells. This is a cells. These are also cells. Okay. So what we do in the cells, we write, we put data inside the cells. Okay. So we can see this is what this is called column. Okay. In this column, you can see A, B, C, D. These are alphabetically named. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, like that. Suppose we want to add a column here. What we can do? We can right click here. Okay. We can right click here. We can insert. So here what will happen, Excel has a tendency to add column to the left of the column. Okay, so what we have done, we click here, then we added here like this, we can see insert. So 1 second, F and G has been created. So suppose we want to delete, we can also delete here. We have selected the two column and we have also deleted it. Okay. Similarly, you can see this is called row. Okay, rows are numerically numbered. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here, if you see the column, it is alphabetically named like A, B, C, D, E, F, G accordingly. Suppose we want to add a row. We can go. We can right click here. We have selected. Then we will right click insert row. So you can see a new row has been created. Okay. Excel by itself, it will add a row on the top of the selected row. So we have selected this row number 4, then it is added here. Okay. This is not required. Let us delete it. We can right click and delete it. We can see also what are the other functionality. Here we can cut, we can copy, okay, we can insert, delete all this. We can also format the cell. Suppose to different kinds of format. We can do font format or color format. We can also do all these things. Okay. So this is called the tab, Excel tab. This is home. This is insert. This is page layout. All these are also there. We can also use. Okay. So this part, what we call this part, what we are talking about, this entire area that we can call it a ribbon. Okay, this ribbon contains different functionalities or the section that coming under the tab. Suppose take for example, it is home. Under home, we can get it font. Suppose we want to edit it. We want to edit it. So this is different, like different text we can edit with the size. We can edit. We can make it bold, italic. We can make it, or we can also underline it. Okay. This part we can edit here. Okay, we will see subsequently all these things, then we can make the table here. Table, because it is all blank, we can put lines across and create a table. Then under home, you are getting font. Then alignment, suppose we are looking for left alignment or right alignment, all these things. We can merge and centers all this number. So these are the different functionalities available under homes. Similarly, let us see, it is insert is also there. Insert, we can insert charts, we can insert pivot table, different icon shapes. We can also similarly page layout tell about that we can what kind of orientation that we are looking for. It can be like landscape or portrait. We can also see, or we can also sometimes um, customized the margins, the size, print area. We can also all these things we can see. So one by one, we'll see all these things. Okay. So let us understand this data set that we are going to use. This is a data set, COVID data, and this is the patient number. Patient number, we can call it, it is ID, it is a unique ID. Unique ID means that it is not repeated. No number is repeated here. So it is a, I have given the serial number, but the serial numbers are not repeated. This is the date announced. Okay. This is a, so that means, what does it means? The patient detected date, the date in which the patient number was detected. Okay, what is the age of the patient? It is like it is a number. Once again, this is a date format. You can see. You can see here it is written date. We have formatted like this. Then we have also this like number. Once again, this is a text field. Gender. Then detected city. That means the from the city in which the patient was detected. Its state. Okay, what is the current status? It is hospitalized, or the patient has recovered, or the patient has uh, is dead, deceased. Okay, the nationality of the patient, it is from India or Italy. Some of the people at that time also coming from Italy, European countries, and different nations they have come, and therefore whether it is imported, you can see type of transmission. This is imported or the local, the person is an Indian, or the person has gone abroad, or the foreign, the person, the one Indian has gone abroad and got infected by COVID virus and brought COVID here. That could be the case, or the patient is a foreign nationals and he has come to India, or here Indians also they were roaming in the market and they have got this virus. Okay, we can see. This is also, there is also here, this is 33%. You can see TBD. TBD, what is the meaning of TBD? That means the person's case is not decided. That means to be decided whether he has got this COVID virus from the local market, or he has gone abroad and brought it here. There is also another sheet that we are going to use. We can see that is cost of the test, number of test. Cost of the test is always a rupees. Suppose take for example 56 we are writing, it has to be formatted in the rupee format, or it's a dollar format. Okay, number of test, 1 second, suppose these are the numbers. Then mortality rate, we can see mortality rate is 3%. It has to be formatted as 3. Then date, one particular date format we will see. Then time format also we'll see. So date, particular date it will tell, here particular time it will tell. Okay, that's for the lessons. I will see in the next one.